Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next family video tutorial. Now for today's episode, guys, actually gonna show you how to get the best or get the most out of these Rockville subwoofer 18 inch 1800 watts in terms of power. I actually have four of them. One pair have it in 8 ohms and the second pair have it in 4 ohms. So of course these are my four boxes. So I have one there and this one that is open there, and then definitely have two more right up there. Right, so my way in terms of getting the most out of these, getting some really deep and compact bass. Now definitely I would have used ply board in terms of the material to make the box. Now if you look carefully in the box, guys, you will realize that I actually line it right around with sponge. So what I realize is that once the base is turned up on these subwoofer, having it in just the ply, not having the sponge there, I'm literally hearing the sound of the ply, and it is not that deep. So yes, definitely I would have do a lot of experiments. So I realized that whenever I line the entire inside of the box with the sponge, really give me a much punchy, a much deeper bass, and definitely louder. Now guys, I must tell you that it is just an experiment that I would have done and it worked for me. Definitely I know that some persons out there, they will agree while others will not agree. So just doing this video to show you what actually worked for me. Again guys, after completely making the box, so showing you the entire box in terms of its actual size, right? So here is another one there, and here is the other two. So that's it. Actually have four of them. So definitely work whenever I do it this way in terms of putting the sponge at the inside and line it right around it. Also at the back, so as you can see there, entirely lined with the sponge. Definitely will give you a much punchier, a much deeper bass. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.